Ekerenga ki yo kobeka barai obisi sewe kanyo ase constituency ya Nyaribari Chache nero nebwate Sam bali ba lenyare koleta interest ase okonyara koligia ebirego ao korwa sobu MCA up to no president and bachakire koleta their ideas those ideologies servant kanya kwa consider in elective seats lero iga bochinde wakore nkwana no mheshimiwa Dr. Joseph Mogendi Birundu oyore an aspiring member of parliament for Nyaribari Chache come 2027. Mheshimiwa nakiona
asante
weirire lituko lyabere litolera
aketari muno biatore
binyoro imegose
tuno tureke nyoro no tureke umbua moina
kuna ko kwanda abantu wan otui
tokonya gosirio obosalibu abeiro na goseri chiguni korukeu
korurito kale conversation na down kora trend has the progress
a lot of improvement but a lot to do still but it's like 2 months I think we've done more than what we had done for 5 months
so
there's a lot of
it's a good progress that maybe at the end of the day era chota matunda
kabisa ninjo mojumbe
na mojumbe or acting ose
one time mojumbe
to chakre pointe wa kwaninga wasel chigun na kisofa
no I wouldn't want to go mention so far because personally I don't even know who is a gun and who is not. Because yawanta bange most of them they are Taliban to never keumbwa. So abantu bakeumbwa anda batoerero by the way I was there with Matiang the other day and nothing happened kabisa. So it means litukelio ibanyete by surprise bakanyana otore keumbu. Yona kenenge yoko banga and they go import.
So in your definition you don't know a gun.
No, aguni tali monto keumbu.
There are people from far.
Yeah.
These are your voters.
Abantu baitu anta batoerero mbabwatu mangana mange.
Yeah, it's a good definition that normally in politics I was asking my other friend Oseko. I'm saying agun is a voter.
Agun is a voter with the privileges.
That you need to talk to. Maybe naenda acha mkutano I listen to it.
Yeah, that is a very bad tag as a co-brandi abana baitu igo. So it's a tag that it's not actually shouldn't be part of this discussion. So that we don't again give it undue reference.
So the call has been a totally peaceful political tolerance.
Yes.
From both parties. Ekera talking also into elections time. Most importantly, totally
which parties?
No, I mean from both opposition.
Okay.
Those
the government. Okay.
When amangana ya politics yako. Safari yoko ni mheshimiwa Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Nkai mwanyikiri.
Fred. Njenda kwanire side ya gusi. Na nditari to komonia. Fred tari aseikere to mugusi na megetie decision. So amangana yo komoni ngatoka begete kwerende. It's not here or there. Kwa ali lutoka ko ni gwari Eldoret. Alinsobo. So muntu tayoraji go explain ya antu ba mino na eningo. Ngaigo atoka ngakiora. Ngiokoria. Ekiorere ntumanyete. Ando mugusi okorireki o decide. So it is a matter of time. Litukolie chikura nabantu ache ko shocked. Freddy doesn't need to come and explain. Tota tanda kuli chikura iskali. Kwa labantu abakamba asteyo karonza achire ko beka jibana gachibiri board ndeji meeting ukambani. Sifuna agenda agasabali bagakanda kuligichikura omuntu obweko kuligisobo gotara sobo singenje namanyete singa kiere kwa munyoro but abande gaiga it is so decided that uno mugusi tukirenga kitogo chigo kuligiekero gekikiyobonene bwese nakigweta aba mintekero bago kwana samatanga baba wale yudie wako olinga to isane ko bobo gambi kwa ikunga kiwa hotel
bakani
na wewe
awase nsema gusi ama tukabango iga in the last 2-3 weeks abantu bawe kwananga ababa very strong kwa Fred Matiang'i ba change tune gocha said winsifuna
warabiawa
onyonka.
No, I wouldn't speak for them. Omanyete before, and I need to give you that from even a meeting it was going to go on in Naigoro. Up until a week here. In two, it was Omanyete up until a bachi at Bungoma, Tale Bungoma. In two, it was in Vuguvugu. Ni movement si chama na ina presidential candidate lakini the moment mutate myself have attended literally I've attended many events Linda Mwananchi but the moment it mutated now we have a presidential candidate you cannot go and start telling omogusi ngantu kwate presidential candidate okuruburuya igaiga iska say to Nyaribari to nigurende because until that time noneka to algo cha keumbua sto cha kurwana ilikubosongo nti to algo tawa mimi ndio Sifuna katibu mkuu wa nini wa ODM vile ametolewa imebadilika ikakuwa mimi ni principal. Sasa hapo ndio shida iko. Hiyo vile tu alisema yeye ni presidential candidate hapo ndio tulishuka some of us. Vile alisema yeye Linda Mwananchi ni chama sisi hatuko hapo. But before hakuwa amesema hivyo. So even our brothers who are there they are of the same they were of the same opinion that hii safari tunaenda tukifika pale mbele we will have one of our own. Atusukume pande hiyo nyingine. Sasa wewe utaenda kukua na presidential candidate mwingine na sisi tuko pande hii.
It can be that's why
but they can agree ultimately the way it is operating ni wale kwanza warudi nyumbani kwanza ndio tuulize ule ni candidate ni presidential wa Waluya. Sisi wa Kisii tunafanya nini hiyo route because yeye already amesema watu wa Ingo ndio wana sponsor yeye. Natembea amerudi nyumbani anachezea kwa mrango. Uliona? Si amekuwa na sisi. Vile Sifuna amekuja analikulia wapi?
Kwa
Umalala. Ameanza kusema nini? Kama Sifuna anasimama hata hii DCF kwanza tunaweka kando. Tunadili na mambo ya Sifuna na kusimama. Sisi hapa tulisha make hiyo decision kitambo, hii ni mwaka ya pili. Decision iko Fred yako kwa ballot na kuna Mkisii anafaa kuongea against agenda ila anajenga. Sisi anafaa tuambie vile Nairobi wamesikizana. Au huyu ametoka Western, huyu ametoka Ukambani, wa Munyoro wamesema nini? Fred yeye ndiye presidential candidate ama kuna lugha nyingine? Akirudi atuambie sio yeye wamepea. Hata hiyo gari mimi naona ndio tutashuka pia. Tutaenda mpaka pale kwa ballot. That's how it's.
That's why it has been lete libere nyinga sana gusi
sana
kera bantu nkopode boninga ntwana kora baru yawo ase mikutano ya Fred lakini abarayi baito nkwenda bale kuoni oli Sifuna kono yaba akongo
tora baite bosa tali ba enkomoni balimba libaseri ko ODM bagate atuicha motwetete na ekere speech yonsi PhD function na attend ale gochaka mimi ndio katibu mkuu wa chama cha ODM na Kilanja walio wa Chache. Hiyo ndio statement peke yake inatuweka hapo. Mahali alianza kusema Linda Mwananchi yeye ni chama, yeye ni presidential candidate. Hata hao wenyewe wameanza kufikiria vile wanaanza ku slow down.
Ase nkwane you buno mheshimiwa anyeke clear that the team is one.
Yes.
The team is one. Supporting Fred Matiang'i is presidential aspirations come 2027.
Yes.
We saw you with a team other youthful aspirants from Goose region.
Okay.
Mokoro Linda Matiang'i.
Yes.
Have you seen that photo?
Yes. I saw it. Yes.
How's the progress?
Linda Matiang'i. Si wale wanalinda mwananchi na sisi kama Mkisii na ile decision imekuwa decided kama aspirant au ni aspirant wanatoka hapa nyumbani. Wewe kwa unachunga nani kwa presidency? tunachunga Matiang'i. Wanachunga Mwananchi, wanachunga ground, wengine wanalinda chakula, sisi tunalinda Matiang'i because when he's exposed, sisi wote tunateremka. So this is actually not even the agenda. That is not actually the first focus. What we are looking at, kila watu wameanza kuchezea kwa chama zao. Hatuwezi wacha our presidential candidate ana mahali ya kukimbilia. Tuseme tulikuwa tunaenda safari, hao wako elected, wamefika pale wamesema, wacha kwanza tuende ngambo ile tusikize vile wanasema. Wamesahau Matiang'i yako ngambo hii. Si lazima kuwe na watu hapa kwanza, lakini wakifika pale warudi, hao watu watakuja waendelee mahali tumefika. But hapa mahali tumemwacha akiwa peke yake, atabaki na nani? Hiyo ndio team inakuwa filled in na aspirants, not necessarily young. You know, everybody is an aspirant. Everybody is a contestant. So we have very many, every constituency in Kusi, we have 13 constituencies. Every constituency, our membership is learning across. And it's not only one. Some places we have 2 aspirants. They are all on board. Some places we have up to 3 aspirants. They are on board. Some places we don't have. For example, before, we have nobody who has really put a bid of vying for Senate in Kisi County, who we know already to contest against Senator Onyonka. So it automatically Onyonka akimaliza ile safari ingine wanapigana na ODM upande ile, wakati atarudi ataendelea wapi? So in that contest we are not having like anybody there. Women in Lepu the same, there are so many aspirants. Until some of them we don't even know them. So we don't want to be seen with this women lep. Kesho kuna another one. And the other time there's another one. So we decided let's work with MP level going up but to specific levels. Then MCS, we will involve them. When, for example, we are going to have our events, and I'm not speaking for the group because we have our leadership. If we are going to start with our events, let's say Vogetutu, we will call all MCAs vying through the Jubilee ticket or through affiliated parties for a forum where we are talking to our people, strongly emphasizing that we need to be together, peacefully, and also support our candidate. Particularly for that specific position, and also the candidate of our presidential candidate. So that's what we are trying to do.
Igega say a party you still of bringing people together. We've seen some defections. Earlier this week, some of them will join the other team.
Which defection?
I mean, they support Matiang'i openly.
Okay.
What can you talk about it?
Bago kujibicha bago
sambe bituma.
But I got to support bago sambe bituma. Oh yeah, the one we have. I think, you know, there are 2 parties here. There is one that wants to operate a good person. But huyu mwingine anataka kuona mahali unafunga macho kupige picha tu. So this is you know, we are one people. Yes, we are one. Beyond politics. I think that was not the intention. Because if it was the intention, some of the people taking these photos, they could not be surprised. But we don't want to read between lines. They know the closeness of these things. But some of them, largely, is it's something that came after a series of meetings, because you can see there could have been meetings, but the agenda of those meetings, maybe, I don't know. And I don't want to speculate. But what I know, again, Tomanyete, Montata Yorata Kagotevanga, Tarigo support Fred, Asawa was politically, now and in the future. Mate Sabali Toko enda, Lutega Chagete Kobang Navas is 20 years earlier. Pakamuikie meza ya deputy. Kamtego cha kirara ugono. Wakisonga unasonga. paka kabe president. Intu yetu tukakuna me anyachayo nye miaka konyo ya chirake to mukuna mete kale 70s kanganto igete go sukumesa bali eline kanganto genderete Kenya side did something else but this one tukakuna mire na Fred we are going, it might not be next week but 2027 gochimotu we have Fred as the deciding factor as a CSA Mogusi.
Yeah, for now and the future.
So balikwalo je bali left light neri ebintu byalo lide and to some extent maybe they are feeling using mbache banyale ko nyole ticket because some of them could be a Birundu na alali. In difference to what happened.
Will it be the reason ikera or no Nyaribari one? Tuna baranyo kwalete a lot of pressure. Chances nga nabata chigo yatana Jubilee.
Yeah. We met actually. You know, we were together in Jubilee in 2017. Like some of us, we were involved very closely to support our candidate personally. I supported the tongue very closely. And even now, when we get some of these messages, even all the forums we have been discussing here, even what you asked me last time, I said he did something. That time he had an opportunity. He did it 2 terms. Amepewa pension. Hiyo iko enough. In fact, hapa ilikuwa 1 term. Sasa alipewa term ngapi? 2. Hii ingine anafaa move up. Aenda tembe na our presidential candidate Kenya mzima because yeye alikuwa mjumbe, watu wanamjua mpaka huko nje. Wakimaliza ile kitu itawekwa kwa meza, apata leta hapa Nyaribari. Hii kitu ingine hii ni ya Birundu. Yes. Na maombi ya wale watu wa Nyaribari wanatuwekea.
Abe buli ba Nyaribari abange banse ko prepare abana bawe chiko Chache College Nixon University from September.
Yes.
I know that abange bawekerere.
Yes.
You've seen the burden you go to educate abana.
Yes.
First, the message you have about your join university and college.
They just need to see their background. Particularly for the young people, see what the struggles and the efforts your parents are putting in. That should define the rest of your life. Onyo muiguri otsete nyomba ga koboji besaire nga kwata getaga soka igora ga koga soka. Do exactly that when you go out there. But if we struggle to make them happy. Yes.
A point of concern was focused on Tokobeka Balibago struggle so much. To raise even admission fees. And Balibago could reach out to different leaders, well-wishers in the church to support them.
Yes.
Maybe in your own thinking as a leader of Nyaribari Church in the coming future, do you see a way Abana Barabe fully sorted out?
Yes. You know, I have over 200 cards, I can tell you for free. There are over 200. That to some extent tells you abana abantu baito na abangaini na abana mbaite kuchiarali university. That's number 1. As to if we can be able to help as candidates, I don't think, but we can reach a few of them. And in my case, and I'll give you this one besides saying we are able to can give a hand. In our specific cases, there are kids that I've supported. And all of them passed to university. You see, I can't stop there. I have to transit them to university. Those are the kids I'm organizing an event to go and support so that they can now join the university. Together with the friends, I had 2-3 friends who said, oh, I'll give you 100,000 for those kids. I'll give you 50, I'll give you another 100. That alone will give every child something. That is, from my end, what we can be able to do. As for the constituents, and I want to assure this one, all the students following this, those informed for those who already, those who are not even able to join this year. As from next year, what I want to put priority is to make sure that the transition, particularly from high school to university to colleges, should be 100%. That at least when you leave high school, even if you get a D, you should have a skill. You should have a course. And that's the only way we can change our people. And I'll put it in our budgetary allocation. Because the government is supporting already through capitation the high school. And the university is where the challenge is. let's reduce the amount we are doing at the high school level. Let's take these kids to get skills, because that is what connects them with the job market. That's the easiest way they can help their parents. They can educate the rest of the family. So this 2027, 2028, all the money that we are going to put, we'll put 80% of our budgetary allocation that goes to schools in form of bursaries into building skills for our kids. Yes.
Yeah, so it's true, because majority of them are very helpful in their societies, workplaces.
Yeah.
And they keep our economy moving on to different levels. So on that particular point, you find out many asking that Dr. Joseph Birundu, as one of the leaders in our constituency, how does he help the youthful generation?
We've been before or after, because before, we've been sponsoring very many kids.
Yes.
We've been supporting. We've been, if I tell you the messages I've had for the last 2-3 years, supporting our school, supporting a kid here, another one there, another one here, food, what, it is something you can't imagine. Because, and it's not only me, every other aspirant, every other person who has a heart to help. But after, I'll want to entrench this one into our working plan for Nyaribari Chache. Because some of us, we've been in the university. I've been in the university for 17 years. I've been a university lecturer. I know the challenges. I know I passed through this system. The challenge we have, most of the people we elect don't know. They didn't go through this system. They hardly have any basic understanding of an education system that we are trying to put. From the background that I have, I need to put emphasis on building skills for young people so that they're able now to stand on their own, and also to be able to train, to support the other family members, their siblings. But the first thing, after leaving high school, the priority is that you should have a skill. You should be a plumber here, you should be a mason there, you should be an electrician here, you should be a hairdresser, a fashion designer, a tailor. This is what will change our country. Not once you finish, I need a piki, I need a boda, I need to do. That is not a skill. We want to put resources to these people. That is after. And most of these things will train them for free. But when you don't understand that background, you'll easily convert a library into an office. An office. That is what happens here, Keumbu. Our CDF office is a conversion of a library where we needed to build so that we have ICT skills being trained there. You organize a whole wing, you put tailoring courses, fashion designs. That is what we needed. Even processors, basic processing of banana, avocado, you just train. So then they have a skill, then they are able to build themselves. But you convert that one into an office where somebody just needs to come and sit. Then there's a challenge we have.
So those could be some of the reasons why youth from Nyaribari Chache should consider voting you as the MP.
That is one of the reasons, but there are so many other things that they need to look at. First, where is our money? How do we get our money to work for us? Secondly, I can tell you, do you know, like where we are here? Say for this, let's say even, for instance, say for a high school, a center of excellence that was done in the 90s, there's no other new school, new development, new, for example, opening a skill center, a basic village polytechnic, a polytechnic. You can't. We even have budgets allocated that you can build a polytechnic here.
And the money is squandered.
We have had somebody in 4 years. He could not just see a priority for these people is a KMTC here. It takes 4 years. When I said, listen, that within 2 months we are going to do a fundraiser, somebody now is doing roofing. KMTC even. The only KMTC the entire Nyaribari. And you are joking with 4 years, you can't do it.
Maybe it has been a political tool. During election, you promise them.
Then after election, you keep quiet until the next election.
Yeah, and then you know
my brother, we will fix you. This election, you will not use that cycle. 2027, if you didn't do it in 2023, wacha kutuambia sahi. Ufanye, usifanye, sisi one term. Lazima tukutume nyumbani. Then we can now fix our things. Yes. If you cannot open even a small shop where our even border leaders, give them licenses, train them.
You cannot do that.
5 years later, and you are giving them 200, 500, so that you are giving their parents 200 so that they forget, they don't ask you questions. You know, that is where the problem is. My priority, I get into this, every youth from Nyaribari Church, after high school, we will have 100% transition to a skill level. Kama hii kuingia vizuri the entire time na umeanguka flat, wewe uko na skill ina override hata kusoma. So everybody will transit 100% into the job market through building skills. Yes, that one is the priority, and I have the strongest background around building an economic hub, building a skill hub, building things that can change our society.
You know, it's possible. We've seen them happening in some constituencies in our country, and it keeps some people wondering, Kwani, how much does this constituency get than others?
Yes, and you're particularly coming from the same government.
Same government, different members.
So Solo can wake up one day and do 106 kilometers of road. Nyaribari cannot do 1 kilometer.
The same government.
In fact, to make it worse, even the person who is giving you sort of money to do the road is the person who erected this side of the world. Is a chair of that, is a member of the committee that gives money for the roads. He can't allocate himself even 2 loads, even 20 kilometers.
What an irony, because they are so close, you elected them. But
one is doing something,
others no.
The other one is doing nothing. That means you don't have attachment to our people, to that society. You are using them as a stepping stone to your business, to your issues.
You're talking about the handouts now. Everybody is taking that example. I don't know if it's a good example or bad example, whereby the constituents get their developments in one political meeting.
Yes.
This culture, they are used to.
It's not a culture.
Is it a culture? Because it has been here for some time.
No. You know, there are 2 things. It's either you are giving us loads, physically, or in kind. So what we are correcting in our case is loads in kind. So you don't do a road, convert that money, give us. Barabara tutajenga tukiweka 2027. It's a culture that has been in many other societies, but ours, the last 4 years, worsened. And I'll tell my people this way. After 2027, you will not go sitting somewhere waiting for money. We'll make sure that you have a skill, you're working for yourself, you can do something. If it's a group of youths, we will put money into that group so that they can stand on their own. They'll not wait for me, niwape 200 niende, tena tukutane next month, niwape another 200. We'll build you to build yourself. That is number 1. Secondly, it's a culture that myself and many others will make sure that they have healthier coverage for most of the elderly and orphans and many other marginalized groups within our society. We'll give them health care support. We'll take their kids to school with very little contribution from the households. We'll make sure after school we train them as specific groups, as plumbers, electricians. We give them skills so that they can stand alone. So there is no room. Mzazi amepewa school fees imelipwa. Akiuza ndizi anapeleka pesa kwake nyumbani. So hataenda kukimbia mahali. Kadi yako nayo ya kutibiwa. Mtoto amepata skill, amepata kazi. Hata akisikia nikipita, unaona kama atanikimbiza nimpe kitu. Uko na dawa. Uko na chakula. mtoto amepewa kazi, barabara najenga, utanikimbiza nikupe pesa? But if I no. This culture is not with Osoro. No. It is not with the Japhet Nyakundi. No. They are in the same government. It is with a space where you have done nothing, and the only way to mask is to give money so that they don't ask you questions. Hawezi kuuliza kwa nini mtoto wangu wako nyumbani hajaenda shule. Hawezi kuuliza kwa nini mtoto wangu hajaipata kazi. Uliuza nafasi ukamletea pesa. Anapewa nafasi inauza 300,000, anapewa 200. Hata kuuliza maswali ya hiyo kazi.
For sure,
that is where I'm coming from. Hawezi. But if you did, you gave the child kazi. Hata mzazi anaibika kukuja kuomba pesa.
No. Atakuja.
Thank you. That is exactly. Now that is Birundu. Yeah. 2027 after August. Hakuna pesa, tunakutana pale kwa barabara. Kama ni kadi ya hospitali tutasoti wewe. Kama ni barabara tutakuwa tumekusaidia, imeendelea kujengwa. Kama ni mtoto kutafutiwa kazi, tuko hapo. Kama ni kubuild skills, tutafanya. Sasa wewe, jukumu lako ni kuendeleza maisha yako ya kawaida, tukiendelea kufanya kazi. That is why we are taking the responsibility from parents. Yes.
Eka tuna kwa na yato chokora. Igabwa se chi competitor chi aino Nyaribari. Banse ko ba invite into that game nga. Manya chinkuru 200. Atoko na 200. You know,
this started when I joined in February. Na sisi unajua kama hujafanya development hapa. Hii sasa direct comparison ya ile kitu iko hapa Nyaribari ni ile ilifanyika Ole Karau. Sisi tumeangalia miaka 4 hakuna barabara, hakuna lami, hakuna kitu, nafasi za watoto wetu zimeuzwa, pesa yetu hatujui iko wapi, barabara hakuna, shule hazijengwi. Lakini tunaona unanunua gari kubwa na unabeba pesa mingi. Sisi ile kazi imebaki hapa ni kutafutia program. Kama unakuja hapa Keumbu, tunatuma watu wanakuja wanakuwa ready wa sort na barabara yao na shule yao na kazi zao. Tukisikia unaenda Virongo, sisi watu already tutakuwa tumeambia watu mahali wanakujia barabara yao. And this will continue for a very long time. So there is nothing, we are not actually going to give you space ukuje udanganya watu wetu. Na watu wetu sahi wako educated, wanajua vile Ole Karau ina operate. Ukileta viatu tunafanya nini?
Tunataka.
Ukileta mattress tunachukua.
Tank.
Ukileta pesa. So hata ukiongeza ifike 5,000. Bado safari ni one time. So hiyo ndio ile lugha iko hapa sahi. Yeah. Before ilikuwa difficult. Kuja aseme mimi nitaenda kupeana 5,000. Kuna mali hapa, in fact to some people it's even a risk to themselves. Because hakuna vile utapeana hapa 5,000 alafu ziishe. Uliona karibu Dismas baraza uwawe huko kwao.
Alitoka mbio sana.
Sasa hapa utapeana watu 5,000 alafu katikati pale zimeisha.
Lazima pea wamebaki. Na
huku si kama huko Dismas, si huku si highway. Hiyo pesa ukisikia inapeana, wanapeana akiwa hapa kwa highway. Unaenda Virongo primary kwa barabara, Keumbu hapa kwa market ya Masago na town pale Kemdu. Wewe ingia huku Kavosi. Hakuna barabara hiyo ulisema hakuna. Na barabara na gari ya ujaleta hiyo yako kubwa. Hiyo 5,000 yako ikose kutosha huko.
Tatoka
hautafika Keumbu. So we need to protect them. In fact, they need to be protected, that when they are giving that money, going forward, we'll also be providing them with the security. Yeah, so that watupe pesa na mpangilio na pia wasipigwe wakati pesa itaisha. Because watu watakuwa wengi. Yeah. Hata mimi nataka share yangu. Yeah. Pesa yangu. Sina barabara. Ndugu zangu wako pale, mimi ndio napeleka shule. Na wanafaa wapelekwe na shule na serikali. Wale wengine majirani wako na shida, tunapenda kusaidia. Kuchanga, tunachanga, si kanisa, si shule, si wapi. Waka choo ya shule hakuna. So si hata mimi nikichanga na ngoja ile yangu ile ulikuwa ulete. And what somebody has just said, umecreate deni ya mtu miaka 4. Si ile kitu tunafanya sasa, si pesa unaleta, ni deni unakuja kutulipa. Yes, tunangoja deni, ni mahali ya kutulipia ndio unaenda ukibadilisha. Yeah, tukikutana town soti watu huko. Hiyo deni inaendelea, tunakufuata kwenda huku Nyantrago, Kiogoro. Hiyo deni because inaendelea, ukisema unaenda Virongo tutakuwa Virongo. Sasa hapa tutaendelea hivyo mpaka next year. And then we send you home.
The irony is that when buying those vehicles, hakuna sema eti kuna shida ya matope and you are the member of parliament.
Member wa komiti ya kujenga barabara. Alafu ununue Prados, useme vile hapo barabara ni mbaya sana. Mimi even that is even easier because a year ago alinunua ndege. Yeah. Kwa kupita hapa sasa saa hii watu wamechanuka, kama uko na deni yetu na unapita huku juu, hata hiyo ndege italetwa hapa chini.
Mbia sana.
Ndio isoti watu mapema alafu tu
But do you see that those handouts equivalent to corruption? You know, you have to do some corrupt deals for you to get that money, and then
unajua ile pesa umetafuta na hard work it pays, and you can't use that money that way. Wezi amka asubuhi anze kupea watu pesa. And if you look at the kind of, I think I wish you came earlier, we had a very big group here and we were just talking. You realize these people didn't come for money. They came to see how can we empower our people. They didn't come really for
the handouts.
So ni sisi tuna create, ni candidates wana create. And I can tell you for free, Birundu in the next after 2027 vile tunaingia, that story is crossed. This part of the world. Huku hakutakuwa na handout, hapana. Sasa hizo barabara, because you needed to use that money to do the roads, na hukufanya barabara, sasa unaleta gari kubwa, ndio kuje kusikia watu kwa vile. That is where we have a problem. Yes. But there is a formula. Now we have already a formula and I've told you how we are going to handle it. Yeah. Sisi tunangoja pesa sana.
Na ukasema pia unangoja?
Nini?
Pia ulisema unangoja?
Yeah, I'm a resident of Nyaribari, Chache. And I pay taxes.
Kwane tokona kwana gaiga, I think ntoto na ndeye yende as time goes by. Omugambi twikire chinga kichia chikambi. Nama chikambi?
Yes. I'm an SDA, and when you are Adventist, our annual celebration is around August, Chikambi, but they learn a whole month, so we have a whole cycle of...
Haba Kristo beyareganirie, lakini rende steering batake support maybe kurwa somugambi, especially abanyaribari Chache.
Yes, you know, Chikambi, you know, people have been supporting different ways. You know, it's voluntarily, you're giving back to the church. Like from our program, which we are calling Birundu Care, we are supporting all the churches, all the camp centers. The camp centers, we are supporting them 5 cartons of milk, so that wapata nguvu. Because mwingine ameleta mchere, mwingine ameleta malagwe. Sisi tunaongeza maziwa hapo. So that watu wafanye nini? To celebrate mwezi mzima ya camps.
Mrete chika mbinchiro, batabuati abantu bari active kubaligiria abageni. Na biranyarikane nabora asimwe nereka bwata mchere. Nyolete bwati kendi.
Yeah. Recently karotwa TV program nto bwate yoko bwati ibintu byitunga ibiberete. Mchere konyoro ile package dio tomiru chikanisa, which is a very good thing. And we thank them, we thank the team because hiyo mchere ilikuwa iharibike na ni barabara yetu. Unajua sasa kama umeleta inaleta ukipeleka kwa Mungu pia hiyo ni sawa.
Tabarikiwa.
So itabarikiwa. Sile kitu nakwambia ni uongeze. Siwache ulete katoni moja. Watu tuko wengi. Unajua hii ni celebration ya watu wengi. Ni kama it's like Eid. Ya Muslim is a celebration ya Waislamu. Uwezi peleka 20 kg ya mchere when we have 1000 visitors. Sasa waongeze quantity.
ya bageni bache kuruuro gongo au siku ya Kenya
abandi kutoka kabagi akamo andi kubwate para yaito yonse ne school yaito karaleta no ne chikiro chigo isane kanisa mete kambi is not the ordinary members y'abantu 200 bakolikire
nende wiki
ngima yeah, so it's something need to be done and we are asking them to consider.
Chikambi chomwako webatanga trust and live, obey and live, gose disobey and perish. Nere team.
Yes.
Twaga twale conversation igaiga gosenkera otarakwa.
Yeah, njetina sabakura ngote yumo muntu tutegerete ku Nyaribari Chache ku Nyabiosinse mpaka Nyansanja L.E Martha uende go Chimate mpaka Boronyi onjo kotirense ito kuchakra jogotire go chega umunyaribari Chache asabeta na agosoroire twakorete rigoso rinene na agosoroire ekura yao ya 2027 na masabao onge tunyare kogorokia ibintu byaitu munabia gwenete koba munabia beire miaka yonse twabeire. Thank you.
Munyaribari Chache uyu no mweshimiwa Joseph Mogende Birundu onyale okwana amona intwe ase nkwane yetu kana okwana naki aranyale kunyalibaga mwese ko mwanchira ko mujumbe no 2027 konyara go change constituency ino korwo asaba sai amangana amasomo amangana obwenia amangana obolemi ne sector yonse pia magendero erinde omunyaribari Chache agenderere enjoy the development projects. Get the point media na nche nkoro kwa Emmanuel Bosire. Thank you so much.
Thank you.